Welcome back, everyone. We used this thing for the first time yesterday and I'm impressed. It's really nice when it works better than you anticipated. Today we are going to get back here behind us and make ourselves a little more room, take down a few of these smaller trees, just kind of open this area up a little bit and give us a little more room to work with and a little better view. Let's get started. I brought the Poulan down with me today. We're going to try it out. And I don't know about you guys, but it is nice to see it start warming up. We're in 62 to 68 degree weather today. It's a little windy outside, but springtime's just right around the corner and I am looking forward to it. Makes work like this a little easier. I will say this is a little lighter than the other two saws. Most of this material is going to make some nice posts to lay down on the ground so we can stack the material we're going to be making. And so nothing's going to be wasted here other than a little bit of the branches and out of the tops. And I definitely think it's going to open up the view quite a bit for us. I think we're ready to go here. Push this guy out of the way just in case this tree comes back this direction. Better move you guys too. With that wind blowing around today, it's hard telling us exactly how these things are going to fall. Just a little bit goes a long way. 3 trees has really opened that up. Let's take a look at it. We are steady making our way back into these better cedars. So we will have some milling material. I'm going to get back here to these oak trees and give them a little more sunlight as well. This area does make a nice location to store all of our material as we're going. Now I have separated my slabs. I have some projects for those. Those slabs are about 2 inches thick for the most part. Now the oak slabs, because of some branches and things like that, those are a little larger. But we're going to use every bit of that. This area also works well because we have the firewood stacked up there. So anything we want to throw in from the mill, we can go ahead and cut into firewood. We're not moving it around a bunch. Everything's pretty well located right here. Let's keep going. Looks like we got about 6 more or so of these guys to get out of here. That'll make a nice pole. Here goes the first load of brush to the pile, guys. I got it chained up to the little donkey there. We're going to see if it rides. Once the wind grabbed that one, guys, there wasn't no stopping it. Didn't hurt anything though. Get this top out of the way. I think we should be able to do 2 of these at one time. We're definitely going to try it. These guys lined up on here. I definitely just want to skim the top off and flatten it out a little bit. And grabbing two of those at the same time was easy. This clamping system works real well for this. I still have some learning to do to get proficient at it, but it will hold everything where you need it to be. Shouldn't take a whole lot. Oh yeah, that made that nice. And that was going to make our last load of brush, and the area cleaned up real nice there. We ended up with 11 trees that we took down there. We did open it up. You're definitely better off than where we started at this morning. It's amazing, just moving a handful of trees there, how much that actually opened that up. Starting to get a nice view of the pond. Our runners turned out great for the mill. And again, we didn't have to waste anything. So, we'll have to come back and get these stumps out of the ground. It doesn't always go as planned. I have something else come up today that I need to finish up before the rain gets here. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. You're definitely going to see a lot of this space in the next handful of months. And we got some really nice projects coming along. I'll talk to you on the next one.